Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide. And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love...
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living.
And I'm Calvin, and we're getting ready to make a good macaroni soup this morning.
Yes, and it's going to be real easy and it's going to be healthy. You can make it even more healthier if you wanted to add turkey, or if you just wanted to leave the beef out altogether, but this is how we're making it today.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to it. This is going to be our lunch today,
Yeah.
and I think it's going to be fantastic. So,
I do too.
I've already got all the vegetables chopped up for Marie, and she's going to get started over here and start browning the hamburger meat. You ready to get rolling, Marie?
Yep.
Okay, let's have fun with it.
Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brown a pound of hamburger meat, or ground beef. And if you want to make a hamburger, go right ahead. Okay, now then I'm going to add in my onion. This is one whole onion. Okay, I'm sorry, that was 1/2 of an onion. But if you like plenty of onions, you can go ahead and put a whole onion in. Calvin cut these up for me, so I didn't remember if it was a whole onion or half. Okay, so I'm going to let this cook for about 7 minutes, and then I'm going to add in my garlic. So when this gets brown, I'll be back. Okay, my hamburger meat and onions are cooked now, so I'm going to drain the excess grease off, and then I'll be back. Okay, I have all of my grease drained off my hamburger meat now, so now I'm going to put in my garlic. I'm going to put in 4 teaspoons full. And I'm going to cook this for about 30 seconds in with my hamburger meat and onion. Okay. Now then I'm going to add in the rest of my vegetables. I'm going to add in my carrots, and my celery, and this recipe will be in the description below. Okay, now then I'm going to add in my beef stock. And my diced tomatoes are coming up next. And then my corn. So put these in. These are fire roasted diced tomatoes. Sorry about that racket. I don't think this spoon will fit in there. Yeah, it will. Okay, now I'm adding my other can. And my corn. Okay, I'm going to give this a good stir. Or some people might say stir.
I don't know anyone that says that.
Okay. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is give this a couple of dashes of Italian seasoning. Okay. And I like Italian seasoning, so I'm going to give it another little dash. Okay. Okay, now then I'm going to wait till this comes up to a boil, and then I'm going to cook it for 12 minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, my soup has been cooking for about 12 minutes. So now I'm going to add in my macaroni and let it cook for about 12 more minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, my soup has been cooking for 15 minutes. The recipe says 12 to 15, and I let mine go for 15. So now I'm going to put a little salt in here. Not much, because I tasted of it and it seemed salty enough. I put a dash of pepper in it. And you can also put spinach in it, and I didn't have spinach, so I'm putting kale. So I'm going to let this wilt down for a few minutes, and then I'll be back to do the taste test. Okay, my easy macaroni soup is done now, and so I'm fixing to do the taste test. And Calvin, I think you're really going to like this, because
I'm looking forward to it, Marie. It really looks delicious, and it's got a great smell to it.
I already sneaked one bite of it, so I know it's good, but I'll eat another bite for the camera.
And that's really going to be good with the Mexican cornbread that you made. That's going to make it real good. Our son Lamar's coming down to visit here in just a few minutes, so he can try a bowl of soup too. I think he'll enjoy it.
Yeah.
He said he loves your Mexican cornbread.
Okay, so I guess I'm going to end this video right now so I can get to this good soup for my lunch. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young